Listen! Can you hear the drums? Can you hear the voices? From the villages, from the cities, from the rivers, from the mountains. One dream, one heartbeat, one destiny. Tonight the stars shine brighter. Tonight the world is watching. Tonight champions are born. The journey began many years ago, with sweat, with sacrifice, with courage. Now! 2026! The time has come! Everybody raise your hands, raise your colors, raise your voices. The game begins now. Every sunrise carried another dream. Every training session built another champion. Every defeat became another lesson. Every victory became another promise. We never counted the obstacles, we counted the reasons to keep moving. Our feet became stronger, our hearts became louder, our spirit became fearless. When people said impossible, we answered with determination. When people closed the door, we built another road. Every generation left us a legacy. Now we carry it proudly. The stadium is alive, the lights are dancing. Millions are singing one song. Tonight belongs to believers. Look around, nobody stands alone. Every heartbeat moves together. Every dream flies together. Every flag flies together. No fear, no doubt, no surrender. Only victory lives here. We never lose. Hear the people calling. We never lose. Hear the drums rolling. World Cup 2026. This is our destiny. Stand together, fight forever. Victory belongs to unity. Raise your hands, raise your voice. Every nation celebrates tonight. Never lose, we never break. Nothing can stop our faith. Sing louder, dance higher, smell brighter, celebrate forever. We never lose. We never lose. The dream continues. The whistle blows, the crowd erupts. History opens another page. Children watch with shining eyes. Parents whisper prayers. Grandparents remember old victories. Generations become one family. Every pass tells a story. Every tackle shows courage. Every goal becomes eternal. Every celebration belongs to everyone. When the pressure grows, our confidence grows louder. Then the opponent attacks, our unity becomes stronger. We believe until the final second, because champions are made from hope, not fear. Dance! Yes! Move your shoulders! Move your feet! The rhythm never sleeps, the drums never stop. Everybody jump, wave your scarves, wave your flag, sing, hey, 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 hey. World Cup, victory, victory. The guitars keep talking. The percussion keeps answering. The stadium becomes one giant choir. Nobody's sitting down, everybody's dancing. The celebration has begun. Across every border, across every language, football speaks one voice. Respect, passion, determination, unity. The world becomes one family. The ball keeps rolling, dreams keep growing, hope keeps shining. No storm lasts forever, no mountain stands forever. Only courage remains forever. begins now. We never lose, the fire burns forever. We never lose, our hearts beat together. We never lose, nothing breaks our spirit. We never lose, nothing steals our dream. World Cup 2026, hear the stadium sing. World Cup 2026, let freedom ring. Raise every flag, raise every hand. Together we stand, forever we stand. Higher, higher, louder, louder. The drums grow stronger, the guitars fly higher. The horns announce victory, the choir answers.